Hi everybody, welcome to our Let's Stick Together poster that we are going to create. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the magnifying glass so that way you can zoom in on a grid. So you pick whichever grid that you want and you can zoom in on the grid. Then you will see the grid over here. Then you're going to decide which letter you want to color. So let's say I pick the A, so I come over and find the A. And then wherever I see an A, that's where I'm going to then click so that way I can fill in my grid. Okay, now if you want to change colors, then you say, oh, I see some B's, so I want to fill in some B's. So then you click on the B, and then you come over and you click on the B. So it's very important that you click the right color for your letters. So that way our picture will come out and look beautiful.